been in the works for quite some time now. I'm happy to present to you this year's top 10 DIY last minute Halloween costumes. Costume number 1, Tough Cookie. This first thing we need is a white foam board. We're going to cut a big circle out of it. It's gonna be our cookie. Now that we have our cookie shape, we are going to grab these brown paper bags and like rip them up so they're flat, and then we're going to Mod Podge them down so it's brown like a cookie. We're going classic and adding some chocolate chips to this cookie. Now I'm just going to attach a string so that it hangs on my neck like a necklace. You listen to me? Huh? Come at me, bro. Huh? Put 'em up. That's right. I'm a tough cookie. Ah! On to costume number 2, spaghetti and meatballs. Start off, you're gonna want a red and white shirt. Oh my gosh. Whoa, special effects, yo. Now we're just going to glue these all around this strainer. We're gonna make a hat out of it. Go like this. It's gonna be spaghetti, meatballs falling out. Does it look like noodles? Because this is metal, the hot glue will peel right off. So you can still use it afterwards. After you get the lice out of it. No, I'm joking. I don't have lice. Hey, you like some spaghetti? Guys, this one was super easy. Like, really easy. On to costume number 3. Little Caesars Pizza Man. I guess I'm all about food today. So the Little Caesars guy has like this nature crown thing, you know? It's like leaves and it goes like this. So I went outside and got these leaves from a bush outside my house. And now we're just gonna hot glue them together and then we're gonna put them in my hair. Okay, so the next thing we want is his toga. We got this flat sheet twin size in the color red. The guy wears orange, but I couldn't find any orange. We're going to grab a stick and spray paint it gold. This one's pretty easy. You just tie it on one side of your shoulder. Okay, and then we just added this random belt that we got from our Halloween bucket. I need someone to help me bobby pin these, because I don't have 4 hands. Camera mom! Hold still. We got this pizza. It has a cardboard thing underneath it, so we're just gonna hot glue it on top of this staff. And then I just cut an arrow out of the leftover foam board from the cookie. Pizza, pizza. On to costume number 4, serial killer. So we're going to take this plain white shirt that I stole from my brother, don't tell him, and then we're going to take these mini cereal boxes and then hot glue them onto the shirt. Why is everything making me so hungry? Next, we're going to put some fake vampire blood on the shirt. Alright guys, I'll be honest here. This blood took like a full day to dry. So this might not qualify as a last minute costume, but you can prepare it the night before in a couple minutes. And then if you need a snack on Halloween night, you can just open one of the boxes and moving on to costume number 5, movie theater popcorn. This one is really easy, you guys. I'm just gonna wear the same shirt as the spaghetti and meatballs hat thingy-mabobber. Then we're going to blow up some yellow balloons and then stick them on my shirt so it looks like popcorn. You don't want them too big or else they won't look like popcorn. Thought about how I'm going to attach them yet. We'll figure it out. Okay, so I tied the balloons together and then I'm just grabbing some yarn and then wrapping it around the balloon so it's making like a big chunky necklace. This is very buttery popcorn. I want to watch a movie. On to costume number 6. Holy cow. Oh. So for this costume, all you need is a white dress or shirt. This is an old Princess Leia costume that I found in that junk box of Halloween costumes. First, we're going to take a headband. This one has like gray pearls on it. And then grab some silver tinsel and then hot glue it to the headband so it's like a halo. Ooh. Aha! Then we just sit it on top of the head like so. Now for the cat spots. I'm just going to cut random shapes. Perfect. It doesn't have to be any specific shape. I'm just gonna tape them on. Namaste. On to costume number 7, since we're on an animal trend here. I'm going to do a copycat. I'm using some foam paper to make some cat ears. Don't mind the blood on my hands from being a serial killer. Now we're just going to glue them on a headband. And one of my favorite shortcuts of all, Control-C, Control-V, copy and paste. You look cute. You look cute. Quit copying me. Quit copying me. On to costume number 8. On to costume number 8. Ratatouille. Ratatouille. So I got these white lunch bags that I'm going to cut up to make into a chef hat. So it's gonna be like, ow. Aha, fits perfectly. I cut out the silhouette of a rat. So now we're going to put it in here and then we're going to put a light in there so it's like that, like it's glowing, you know? You know, you'll see it when you see it. Through trial and error, this light is too heavy. It won't work. So we're gonna use this headlamp. Oui, oui, spaghetti.
If you want to see more baking videos, comment down below.
What did you say? You want to make an omelet? Sounds good. On to costume number 9. So for this costume, I'm going to turn myself into an Among Us imposter. This one's probably the easiest costume yet. All you need is a solid color hoodie and some ski goggles. Blue is so sus right now. Looks like I have to go to electrical. Oh my goodness, where do I put the body? It was green. I saw him do it. I saw him do it. It was him. Green. Vote green. Ejected. On to costume number 10, the grand finale. This one will be no Drama Llama. It was stuck. I can't get out! This is the no Drama Llama that I made out of cardboard boxes that I just painted white. We're now going to draw on the face and decorate it. Next, I'm going to glue on these tassels. It's like the reins for a horse, but like on a llama. Now we're going to paint on the blanket. Time for some more fun trim. Now I'm going to make some suspenders. These are gonna go on my shoulders so the llama won't fall down. See? Whoa there, Tina, slow down. Do you like my socks? And to top it all off, hashtag no drama llama. It's nice because right here you have like a table. You can hold all your snacks. No drama allowed here, my friend. Thank you guys for watching my top 10 DIY last minute Halloween costumes. I hope one of these works for you this Halloween. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below which one was your favorite. See you guys next week. Peace out. Don't forget, keep your sunny side up.